To start, we're going to draw a diagram. Our diagram is a coordinate plane. We'll add to that our rise and our run on the diagram. And we'll count them out. Our rise is 4 units and our run is 2 units. So our slope is rise over run. Our slope is 4 over 2, which reduces to 2. Therefore, the slope of the line between A and B is 2. An alternate way of answering the same question is by considering the slope as the change in y values over the change in x values. Now, we have talked about this, but not really put it down in note form yet. To find the change in y values, we take y2 minus y1. So we have to name our points. In this case, we've named our point B, point 2, and our point A, point 1. So we need to take our y value from point 2, or our by, which is 5, and subtract our y value from point 1, our a's y, which is 1. And we have to do the exact same thing in the exact same order with the x values. So we have to take our x from our point 2, or our b's x, and our x from our point 1, our a's x, and subtract them. Our y2 is 5, our y1 is 1. Our x2 is 4, our x1 is 2. Sometimes it's easier if you write these things down, so that way you don't get confused in the order in which you subtract them. Now we substitute all of these values into our formula. 5 minus 1, 4 minus 2. We perform the subtraction and reduce to get to the same slope. So you can do this algebraically without even drawing a picture, or you can do this by drawing a picture and counting the units. Either way will lead you to the same result. If you have fractions in your points or decimal points, it's going to be way easier to perform the calculation algebraically rather than counting it out. And of course, we see that the slope of the line between A and B is still 2. So find the slope of the line between the points A, 2, 2, and B, 5, 4. The diagram is given here so you can check this visually, but perform the calculation algebraically, remembering to label your y2, y1, x2, and x1 points, and then substituting them into the formula. When you're finished, come back and check your results.